Travel and discovery. Hello, everyone. Tuscany, the beautiful region located in central Italy, has always been a dream destination for those who love history, art, and nature. Imagine yourself strolling along ancient cobblestone streets, surrounded by vast vineyards and rolling hills stretching to the horizon. Each town and village here tells a unique story, from the refined Renaissance architecture in Florence to the marvel of the legendary Leaning Tower of Pisa. But that's just the beginning, as Tuscany also offers natural hot springs, rich wines, and a tranquil atmosphere that captivates everyone. Get ready, as the journey to explore these 10 stunning locations will make you long to visit Tuscany right away. Florence is an unmissable destination on your journey through Tuscany. As the cradle of the Renaissance, the city is filled with art, history, and culture. Strolling through the city center, you will be captivated by the well-preserved medieval buildings. The iconic Duomo Cathedral, with its massive dome, will leave you in awe of its ancient architectural beauty. Don't miss a visit to Piazzale Michelangelo, where you can enjoy a breathtaking panoramic view of Florence, especially stunning at sunset. Whether you're a history enthusiast or an art lover, Florence offers a rich and unforgettable experience that captures the essence of Tuscany. Just an hour's drive from Florence, Pisa is the next stop you should explore. The famous Leaning Tower of Pisa, known for its distinctive tilt and impressive height, attracts millions of visitors each year. Despite its unstable foundation, the tower has stood for centuries. When you visit, you'll have the chance to witness this world architectural wonder up close and even climb to the top for a panoramic view of the city. Pisa offers a unique experience, blending history, architecture, and breathtaking sights, making it a must-see destination during your Tuscany adventure. After a day of historical sightseeing, there's nothing better than relaxing at the natural hot springs of Saturnia, located about 3 hours' drive from Florence. Famous for its turquoise waters and a constant temperature of 37 degrees Celsius year-round, Saturnia offers a tranquil and rejuvenating experience. Soaking in the warm waters, you'll feel a sense of peace and relaxation amidst the untouched beauty of nature. This serene destination is the perfect place to recharge and unwind after a busy exploration of Tuscany, providing a perfect balance of relaxation and natural wellness. Pitigliano, a small town perched on volcanic cliffs, is known as Little Jerusalem due to the Jewish community that once lived here. The town's ancient architecture and stunning landscapes offer visitors a sense of stepping back in time. With its charming streets and historical significance, Pitigliano is a perfect destination for those seeking peace and a deeper understanding of Tuscany's unique history. The blend of culture, history, and natural beauty makes Pitigliano a must-visit spot for anyone exploring this enchanting region. Near Pitigliano lies Sorano, a small village with an ancient, rugged beauty, built on volcanic rock. Once an important medieval fortress, Sorano was strategically protected due to its location. As you stroll through its narrow streets, you can feel the essence of a bygone era rich in culture and history. The town's well-preserved architecture and historical significance make it a perfect destination for those interested in exploring the past. Sorano offers a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in the charm of Tuscany's ancient villages and their fascinating stories. Montepulciano is a Renaissance town renowned for its exquisite red wines. Perched atop a limestone hill, the town offers visitors breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside. When visiting, don't miss the chance to savor a glass of the famous Montepulciano wine, a true delight for wine enthusiasts. The town's charming streets, historic architecture, and exceptional wines make it an ideal destination for those who appreciate fine wine and beautiful landscapes. For wine lovers, Montepulciano is undoubtedly a dream destination in Tuscany. Blending history, culture, and the finest local vintages. Pienza, located in the Val d'Orcia region, is a prime example of Renaissance urban planning. The town was designed to blend harmoniously with its surrounding nature, creating a delicate balance between architecture and landscape. From Pienza, you can enjoy panoramic views of the lush, rolling hills that stretch as far as the eye can see, evoking a sense of peace and tranquility. This charming town offers a perfect escape for those seeking both historical beauty and natural serenity. Making it a must-visit destination in Tuscany. Val d'Orcia is a symbol of Tuscany's countryside beauty, with its rolling hills and rows of tall cypress trees. The area resembles a painting, crafted from soft, natural lines that exude peace and tranquility. As you stroll through Val d'Orcia, you'll immerse yourself in the serene, natural landscape, surrounded by golden wheat fields and lush vineyards. The charming scenery offers a perfect escape, allowing you to experience the gentle, timeless beauty of Tuscany's countryside. Making it a must-see destination for nature lovers and those seeking peace amidst stunning views. Monteriggioni is one of the best-preserved medieval fortresses in Tuscany, located between Siena and San Gimignano. Built in the 13th century to protect Siena from attacks, Monteriggioni still retains its sturdy city walls and a rich historical landscape. As you stroll around the fortress, you'll feel as though you've stepped back in time, experiencing the medieval atmosphere that still lingers in the air. The charming village, with its ancient walls and towers, offers visitors a unique opportunity to immerse themselves in Tuscany's fascinating history. Siena is one of the most beautiful cities in Tuscany. Renowned for its Piazza del Campo, where the famous Palio di Siena horse race takes place. The Duomo di Siena, with its distinctive black and white architecture and luxurious interior, is another must-see highlight. Siena is not only captivating for its ancient beauty, but also for the cultural and artistic atmosphere that fills its streets. The city offers a perfect blend of history, art, and vibrant traditions, making it an unforgettable destination for anyone exploring Tuscany. Elba Island, covering an area of approximately 224 square kilometers, is the largest island in the Tuscan archipelago, and the third largest in Italy, nestled amidst the emerald waters of the Mediterranean Sea. Blessed with diverse landscapes, the island features pristine white sand beaches like Portoferraio and Cavoli, as well as secluded coves framed by majestic cliffs. Mount Capan, rising to 1,019 meters, offers a breathtaking panoramic view where the sea and sky merge into a stunning natural masterpiece. Elba is not only renowned for its natural beauty, but also for its rich history, with traces from the ancient Etruscan civilization to Napoleon's exile. Picturesque villages such as Capoliveri and Marciana Marina captivate visitors with their colorful charm, cobblestone streets, and warm local culture. This island is the perfect destination to explore the harmony of unspoiled nature, fascinating history, and a serene, poetic way of life. A journey through the land of Tuscany will give you great experiences of history, art, and nature. From quaint cities like Florence and Siena to peaceful small villages like Pitigliano and Sorano, Tuscany knows how to captivate visitors with its unique beauty. This is not only a tourist destination, but also a place where you can find peace and admire the wonderful nature. If you find this video good and meaningful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Please leave your questions or comments in the comment section. Have a great adventure, and see you in the next video.